morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the start of a new day. I'm trying to be consistent with Vlogmas, guys. I am trying to be consistent with Vlogmas. The only problem that I'm having now is editing, because you guys know that I'm a one-man crew. I film and edit all my videos myself, so I'm having a bit of a problem with editing, but we move, we persevere, we push, we locomote. So guys, I have a wedding I'm going to attend today. My husband's school daughter in university. I know it sounds weird, I know that it sounds weird, but my husband had his school daughter in university, and today is her wedding. They've actually been married for, her and her husband now, they've been married for about 2 years in the US. They did like a court wedding in the US because they both live in the US. So they just came to Nigeria now for the like white wedding and the traditional wedding, the Nigerian, typical Nigerian wedding. That's what they came for. So I'm going to attend that wedding today. The wedding actually started by 10, as the church wedding started by 10, but obviously it's already like 11 at this point, so we are obviously not going to make the church wedding. But I just want to go and have my bath so that I can, you know, do my makeup and get ready. But I don't know if you guys remember me telling you a few vlogs ago that my tripod broke. In fact, I have so many tripods. I have 2 broken tripods. Hold on, let me grab them. First broken tripod. This is the first broken tripod. This one is not that bad, it can still be fixed. I just need to glue this top part. Second broken tripod. This one has literally fallen apart. Literally, I can't speak English again. This one has literally fallen apart. It's such an embarrassment. So my husband's colleague at work, I think my husband might have mentioned that my tripod broke, so he actually bought me this one. So I have a new tripod, and yeah, I still haven't been able to go and buy my skincare things, but I don't know, the pimples are looking a bit less violent than they did the first time I showed you guys. I don't know, maybe my skin is trying to adjust itself, I'm not sure, but I think it looks a little bit less violent. So I'm just gonna have my bath now so that I can get ready and we can start going for the wedding. But literally, I woke up like this. I literally woke up like this because I've been in bed since. I've only made breakfast for us to eat, because you guys know Nigerian weddings.
Never in your life make the mistake of going for a Nigerian wedding on an empty stomach. Never ever do that. So
we have already had breakfast, and yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna have my bath and I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm done with my makeup.
15 minutes later.
Alright guys, so I've had my bath now and I am torn. I don't know what to wear. First of all, I have this dress from my Pretty Little Thing haul. I haven't worn this one. You guys remember that I bought 2 dresses. If you haven't seen my Pretty Little Thing haul, I'm going to leave that video linked up in the card so you can check it out. But this dress is from my Pretty Little Thing haul. It's still new. I haven't even worn it. And the second dress is this one. It is an asoebi that I wore for my friend's wedding. This is the lace. I don't know if you guys remember me going to Kaduna. I made a vlog about it. This was the asoebi I wore for that. And I don't know which one to wear because I didn't buy asoebi for this wedding because frankly, I didn't think I needed any new asoebi. So I don't even know the colors of the wedding. That's how bad it is. I don't remember the colors of the wedding. But right now, I'm genuinely torn because first of all, there are going to be a lot of my senior colleagues at that wedding, because it's like the bride and the groom literally went to the same medical school that me and my husband went to. So there are going to be a lot of my senior colleagues at that wedding. And if I wear this blue dress, I'll be looking like the, should I say the Ashewo, because the cleavage of this dress is a lot. But do I really care? These are deep questions that you have to ask yourself. Do I really care? I don't know. I'm thinking to myself, do I really care if I look like the Ashewo of the lot? But if I wear this dress, I'll be giving rich auntie vibes, because even though this dress has a bit of cleavage, is native, and native always gives rich auntie vibes. So I mean, these are deep questions. I'm now trying to think like, which one should I go with? I can't really make up my mind right now. What I think I'm going to do is I am going to do my makeup and see how I feel at the end of the makeup. Maybe I might just drift towards one more than the other, or maybe I might just try them both out for you guys to choose. Not like you guys can choose in real time, because this is not real time, but I'll just try it out and then you guys will tell me which one you think looks better in the comment section. But obviously I'll go with the one that I'm feeling the most, but just tell me the one that you think looks better in the comment section. So let's go and start our makeup. I'm already running late. You guys, makeup and hair is done, and I decided to go with the rich auntie vibe, and this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it looks good.
So fine.
So hands, such a hands man. I'm already sweating, you guys.
I'm sweating.
This is why I don't like dressing up and waiting, because now we're waiting for...
Oh really? Why are we waiting?
Because I had not finished doing my makeup on time. But now we're waiting for the Uber guy that is coming to pick us, so I'm already sweating.
This won't be here, sir.
Okay. Anyways, bye guys. We'll catch you during the wedding. Peace.
Everything is blinking, and it's blinking.
But let's just say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys, we're here. In Ibadan. We are representing.
Shop, tell me like
Osman man.
Had to come off. I was having a headache already. We are done with the wedding and we're going home.
Does it?
It's a bit tight.
Wait, so it covers blood supply?
So it's like a low-key blood sucker. So it was giving me a headache. Anyways, we're headed home. How was the wedding for you? There was no alcohol at the wedding. It's pastor's wedding.
That was great.
Pastor's children's wedding, so there was no alcohol. But otherwise, it was interesting. This guy, what's that his name? Precious from The Voice. He came and he serenaded the couple. He was so nice. The guy can sing, like, he sabi the walk, right?
Light skin, the guys.
Light skin. And he had a very interesting haircut. Very, very interesting. But nonetheless, his performance was really, really good. Anyways, I'll see you guys. That's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not much happened today really, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Bye.